Welcome to the sixth lecture of isometric projection. Now in this lecture we are going to see the next problem on isometric projection. Now let's see, the problem is given like this. Now this is the front view, this one is the top view of a given geometry. Now in a front view the length of a geometry is 100. Now we can identify this length from the top view and its maximum height is 50. Then in top view length is 100 and width is 50. So in front view we can know the length and its height, and in top view we can know length and its width. So here the length is equal to 100 and height is equal to 50. So here length is equal to 100 and this width is 50. So we have to make a cube of 100 by 50 by 50, length, height and width. Okay, so how to make the cube? So for drawing the cube, draw the horizontal line, mark a point O. Let's see, in a front view, so the position of O at the left side, so that's O should have to coincide with this origin point O. That means the front view should be lies on this right hand plane. Okay, so the length is 100. So here draw the horizontal line of a length, whatever it you want, then mark a point O. Now at an angle 30 degree draw a line of a length 100 because we have the length 100. Then here at an angle 30 degree draw a line of a width 50. Then from this point O draw the vertical line of a height 50. So it is height, width, sorry, it's length, width and height. Now from all these end points, from this one and from this one, draw the vertical line of height 50 mm 5 centimeter. Then join these two end points, again join these two ends points. Now draw the parallel line to this line through this point. Draw the parallel line to this line through this point of a distance 50 mm. So draw the line, then next from this point draw the parallel line to this line. Draw the parallel line to this line through this point of a length 100 10 centimeter. Okay, so this length is, let's say, 5 centimeter. Okay, now we have to draw the actual 3D diagram of given dimension. Now let's see, when you are observing the front view, so in front view this is the rectangle and this rectangle has dotted lines. So this dotted lines indicates some slots in a geometry. So how to identify the shape of that slot? So for identifying that shape, what I'm doing, I'm just projecting this line to in a top view. Okay, so it will get project on this semicircle. So it means this slot is of semicircular. Now this is the inclined line. So inclined line means this is a rib. So we can identify the width of a rib over here. Okay, then let's see, this is trapezoidal slot is there. It means the wedge is there. Okay, so we have to produce a 3D diagram according to this one. Now the 3D diagram is what? One rectangular cube is there, vertical rectangular cube. Okay, on that rectangular cube semicircular slot is there on this side. Then it has a rib. That rib will join this vertical rectangle and this is the horizontal plate. So this rib will join this rectangular block and this plate, and that's this horizontal plate has this trapezoidal slot. So we are going to start the diagram now. Firstly we are making this one. So its length is 30 and height is 50. So this height 50 we have already taken. Then measure 30 mm distance. Now same here, measure 30 mm. Join this one. Okay. Now on this face we have semicircular hole. So before going to draw that semicircular hole, we are going to draw these corner edges, means these edges, this one and this one. So width of this edge is what? Let's see, this is the radius 15, so this total diameter is 30. Okay, and so total width of geometry is 50. So out of 50, this 30 get minus, so remaining is 20. So this one is 10 and this one is 10. So measure the 1 centimeter distance here, again one here, and this one should be 30. Okay, so this is 30. This one, measure 1 centimeter from this side. Measure 1 centimeter from this side, and this middle one is 30. Okay, so we will draw this circle at the last. Now draw this one, this horizontal plate. Now this horizontal plate of a length 100 and height 20. So this total distance is 100. Now here mark the height 20. Here mark the 20. So we can draw the exactly parallel line to this one. Now through this point take exactly vertical line. Now join this 20 distance. So this will be meeting over here. Both are intersecting over here. Okay. So erase this one, extended portion, and draw the parallel line to this line through this point. Of a length 5 centimeter. And draw the parallel line to this edge through this point. Parallel line to this line through this point. Now we have to draw the rib. Now the width of a rib is 10 mm. It is mentioned over here. Okay, so firstly find its center. So as it is of 5 centimeter, center will lies at a distance 2.5 centimeter. So from 2.5 centimeter it is at distance 2, and it is a distance 3. This one, this one. Then same here, find a center line, center point at distance 2.5. So measure 5 mm here, 5 mm what. So join this one and join this one. Okay, then you have to erase this inner portion of a H as it is invisible. Join this one. Now draw the parallel line to this point. Okay, so this is the rib, this one is the horizontal plate. Now this horizontal plate has this wedge like structure. So in previous problem we already seen how to draw this one, but still we are going to repeat this procedure here. Now draw this same as it is over here. Draw the horizontal line. Now this middle distance is 30, so mark 30 distance. This is 30 mm. Mark out at center point. Now from center point, as the height of this depth of this wedge is 10, so draw the vertical line and mark the 1 centimeter distance. Now as the angle of this wedge is 45 degree, so from these points, the end point, mark 45 degree angle, and here mark 45 degree angle. Okay, now connect this one. Now okay, mark 45 degree angle, so it will here. Then from this 1 mm distance point, draw the horizontal line. Okay, so this is the wedge shape of a given dimension. Now here you also have to mark the center point. Now this one, this distance is 20, so leave this 20 distance. From this 20 measure 30. Okay, so from this one to this one, now mark a center point at distance 1.5. okay, then take a height 1 centimeter. Again here take a height 1 centimeter. Draw this one by a very faint line.